Yo, YouTube, just a really quick tutorial today to show you how to go ahead and get Schedule 1 for free on your PC or Steam. This is super easy. It takes just a few minutes to get a digital game code that you can redeem on your Steam store, and it's going to basically get you Schedule 1 for free. This is not in a super expensive game. You can see it costs around $20 US, but it's still worth doing. It takes a few minutes, and it is going to save you a little bit of money. And it's a pretty fun game, but yeah, I'm pretty glad I didn't pay for it myself. So I thought I'd show you basically how to go ahead and get Schedule 1 for free. So just use a mobile phone. You can see I've got my iPhone here. And I'm going to open up the internet and go to www.robotcoupons.com. So just type it like this, guys, Robot Coupons. This is an awesome coupon code website. They have game codes for tons of different things as well. So go to the search bar, search for Schedule 1, and you're looking for the free game code page. Now, there you can see you can get a free digital copy of Schedule 1 for PC and Steam, and these game codes are limited. When you click on Show Code, you will need to unlock your personal game code, guys. This limits one code per person and stops people from stealing hundreds of copies of the game. So tap on Unlock the Code, and this is going to load up to 100%. I've already got my game code, so I'm going to cancel this. I don't want to waste the code. You're going to see a new screen, and it's going to be a code unlocker. And it's going to have a set of instructions telling you how to go ahead and unlock your Schedule 1 code. Takes a few minutes. I had to complete a couple of tasks to basically show I'm not a robot. And once you do that, your code will be unlocked, and you can redeem it in the Steam store or on your PC. And it's going to basically get you Schedule 1 for free. And that is it, guys. It does take a few minutes. I think it's worth it considering the game is $20 US. You just got to go to Robot Coupons and just make sure you do fully unlock your code by following the instructions. And yeah, let me know in comments what you think of the game. Leave a comment below if there's any other games you want me to try and find how to get for free. And yeah, like the video, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. Peace out. Enjoy.